Hello everyone, my name is Shreyas. Welcome back in the next video of programming using Java assignment series. Today we will solve final exercise 1. In previous videos we solved method overriding exercise 1. You can get full playlist link in the description of the video. So check description and subscribe this channel if these videos help you. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start to solve this. Problem statement is an educational institution provides stipend for postgraduate students every year. For calculating the stipend, the institution has fixed a base amount of $100 which is provided to all students. The students who perform exceptionally well during the academics get an extra amount based on their performance. You need to help the institution in developing an application for calculating the stipend by implementing the class based on the class diagram and description given below. Here you can see a class diagram and below that method description, calculate total stipend method and sample input outputs. After reading method description, you will understand that we have to write a condition like if a student got marks in this range, then that student will get fixed stipend plus this amount as bonus stipend. And stipend is a final variable. So let's see how can we help them for distribution of right amount. So copy this code and paste in the Eclipse IDE. In this student class, we will create three variables: int stipend, int student ID, int aggregate marks. Then we will create getter and setter methods. Then we are creating calculate total stipend method. In this, if students aggregate marks are between 85 and 90, then that student will get $100 plus $10 as stipend. Else if students aggregate marks are between 90 and 95, then that student will get $100 plus $15 as stipend. Else if students aggregate marks are between 95 and 100, then that student will get $100 plus $20 as stipend. And finally, if marks are less than 85, then student will not get any bonus stipend, only fixed stipend will get, which is $100. Okay, so it's showing right output. So copy and paste this in the site. Compare with the sample output, it's same. Verify it. And here all test cases are passed. So it's all for today. Like this video and share this playlist with your friends. Thanks for watching.